People, I don't know what go on in a man. I don't know what go on, but you don't know if the voice of Grizzly Bear. But that one are devastating after the great big show thing last night and the whole heap of vibes and the whole heap of laughing and joy. It is sad to say Joseph Marley, otherwise known as Joe Marley, you know what I mean, has found dead. Yeah, people, so, you know, condolences to the family, you know, from the Grizzly Bear, Reggae Vibes Media, you know, because when you think about it, you know, them youth here, you know, Joe Mersa, you know, have him family, you know, have him girlfriend, it could have been wife, you know what I mean, and him youth, them and thing, you know. And remember, a couple more days, you know, man. Couple more days to the new year, you know, the 23, you know, the great number there, you know. So, man, I say, so, for even I and I hear this right now, you know, my condolences go to the family, you know, go to friends, engineers, you see, man, I say, co-workers, people, where them did sit down and orchestrate and a plan, and I say, alright, then, the coming year, this is how we are going to approach the music. This is the idea what we have to do this. This is the idea what we have to do that. And, you know, the compromising right now, for even there in your mind, for even sit down in your space, for even say, Jano. You know, I can't relate to that, you know. Because I and I did have a virgin where I and I lose them way there. So I say, rest in peace, Tipper. Otherwise known as, you know what I mean, Frederick Mackenzie, is it? So, right now, Joe Mersa, big reggae star. I don't know for sickness, I don't know for murder, I don't know what. You know what I mean? But prior to the information we come in, you know, them find him dead. So we are here also awaiting more information. So, you know, if you haven't already subscribe to the channel, you can just subscribe and just click the bell over right there. So you see me at the vibes bell that you see me from I touch the vibes bell, you don't know you get vibes information. So if you want to keep up to date, you know what I mean, with that story, you might need for touch that something there. But my condolences go to the friends and families and co-workers, because as I say, remember the game plan, you know, man. Remember your artists, remember you have your fans them for please, and I look forward for putting certain type of energy. And you know, you never know the day, you never know the time, you never know the hour. You see me, I say, cause if Joe Mersa could have tell, say, boy, you see me, pan December the 27th, I did go be there. You know what I mean? I don't know, maybe I'm gonna put in more work. I don't know if I'm gonna try avoid death. I don't know. You see me, I say, cause death is not a nice thing with people. I swear to you. It's not a good feeling, it's not a good vibration, especially when time somebody were close. You see me? Because you have some people never experienced that yet, you know. You know what I mean? They never lose a close friend or close family or a girlfriend or boyfriend. You see me? I say, so the pain, the level of anguish, you see me? I say, you never experienced it yet. You see me? So you have individuals out there who don't even know right now where some of my friend them I feel, where my girlfriend I feel, where my youth I feel, for no one say, yo, I not see about my father, you know. You see me, I say, not see about my father. You know what I mean? Me and daddy did plan to do that next year. And next year for my birthday we did plan to do that, and now daddy gone. You know what I mean? Tear up little juvenile, I know them way there. So Jaja, swear to you, last night's thing live, nice and everything, and beer laughing and beer dry, but I and I is a patriot of reggae music, you see me, I say the culture, Jamaica, dancehall also, but remember, I'm tell you reggae, reggae vibes media, you know, so. Jaja, Joe Mersa, you know what I mean, rest with the angels, them, you know, bro. Yeah, man, rest with the angels, them, you see me, I say, so people, as I say, if you want to hear the latest trend, if you want to keep up to date, if you want to know what go on, because them just find him dead, you know. So if you want to know a wagwan, you know what I mean, what killed him, you see me, I say you have to just keep in tune, you see me? Yeah.